Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory.
Happy Friday, loves! If you are new here, welcome to the family. My name is Dineo. If you've been supporting me, thank you for your continued support. If you haven't subscribed, honey, what are you waiting for though? Please do click on that subscribe button, like and share my video as well. Click on the notification bell so that you know when there's new content available for you to watch. I am just here to open up the vlog. We are about to go for a team night, serving team at church. It's a team night event, like an appreciation event. I will show you my outfit in a bit. I am wearing a cropped dress. My mom got it for me. I think I was 17 or 18 years old, but it still fits, yeah. It still fits, and I'm so excited to send her like a picture of me wearing this dress. I know she's going to be happy. Let me stop talking, guys. We're about to go. I love the hair, I love the beat, I love the earrings. The theme is black and glam, and I think we did it.
Labels define our story. We're dancing in the dark, a trace of glory. A trance of glory. touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear, a dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill, only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting.
Good morning, top of the morning, guys. We are back at this. We are back at this, guys. So excited. Sorry about the noise, but I am getting, or rather, I'm going for a race. It is an official 15-kilometer race, and I'm so excited. Come along with me. I'm not gonna document the whole running, but I will show you at the end, because I feel like I've been showing you a lot of running content. Yes, that is my lifestyle, but right now I just need to document this day, because this is my official first day back to an official run after I was on recovery for a while, so I'm excited and I'm taking you with me. So let's go.
Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrify my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark.
We are at the beach, guys. We are the beach bummies. The run was good. The run was good. So I'm about to take some content. I'm about to take some content. So you coming with me, okay?
The opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear, a dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in the grip, no hollow words spill, only the truth of the moment, thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires, wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. Oh, oh, oh. trance of glory. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping bright.
Hey loves, it is another day of this vlog. We are unboxing. So it was sent to me by a sister, Muhaetu Waikitsi. She knows herself. Thank you so much, Muhaetu. I cannot wait. You know, I can't wait to do this. So basically what I'm saying, guys, is I cannot wait to make pap with this maize meal. Not maize, but mabele, rather. Make mabele pap and sort of ferment it so that I can be able to have sour porridge. So this is how it looks. Bupi jomabele. That's how it looks like. I cannot wait. Oh, it's milahatswana meal. Okay. I cannot wait to make pap with that. Bohobe pap. And the next one, it's my supplement. I got these from 32GI. Some of you or most of you know what 32GI is all about. It's all about good stuff for people that work out, for people that run. So this is a 32GI bundle pack that we got. There was a special that was running and it was $299 for everything. And there, welcome to the 32GI family. Forge your path to greatness. Awesome. And my invoice is in there as well. So these are just instructions on how to use the items that are in here. Build the perfect fueling strategy with 32GI. So basically these are the guidelines on how to use these items, and this is really packed with a lot of good stuff. You know, like there's an energy gel, there is a spot drink, there's energy bars, different more sports drinks, and there's an electrolyte gel, more electrolyte gel, caffeine shot. And what I like about them is that they actually did send emails on what to use and what do you use it for and when do you have it, you know. So I really love that. There's more sports drink, actually, you know, there's more sports drink. There are hydrating tablets as well. You just put them in water. There's quite a lot of the sports gel for high intensity training, you know, if you're probably running a race. So it's really amazing. It's really amazing stuff. There's energy porridge as well. So I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to try out this pack as well. So yeah, I'll tell you how it's going. I'll tell you if I'm enjoying, and if these supplements are making a difference, you know. Are they making a difference? Yes, no, I'll let you know as I go about using them. You know, as I continue using them, I'll share my experience with you. And guys, that is our unboxing.
Exploring these sides, wild and free, no labels define us. Oh, oh, a trance of glory.
Hey guys, I just want to give special thanks to Chef Johanna Manchu. I gave her a call just after church and I was like, girl, please plug me with the smashed potato recipe, and she was available. Thank you so much, Jojo. I really appreciate it. I'll link her profile on the screen. And this meal slept. It really slept. With that being said, I just want to take this moment to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, for watching my content, because honey, we have a dollar sign. If you're feeling generous, please do click on that dollar sign. I will really appreciate it. If you've gotten this far with the video as well, I just want to say thank you so much for your love and your support, to my friends, to my family, to my cousins, to the community, to my girls. I really appreciate all of you. It has been quite a journey, but this is where we are. We now have a dollar sign. We look ahead trusting in God, trusting that He will do what only He can do, that He will move in ways that only He can move. I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, please do click on that subscribe button. Till we meet again on my next video. Bye!
Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in